Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this classic smoky eye makeup. You all can achieve this look easily. So let's get started. This brush is from a drugstore. Taking this shade named Strobe from BH Cosmetics highlighting palette. Here I am highlighting my brow bone in the beginning. This brush is from MORPHE Brushes. Taking this orangey brown shade, applying it to my lid as a transition shade. Here I am gradually adding more color to my lid. Same on the other eye and slightly blending it as well. This brush is from BH Cosmetics. Taking this black shade and dabbing it on my lid for less fallout and more color. Okay, this is something like risk taking, I guess. Well, don't worry about this mess, I will wipe it later. This tiny fluffy blending brush is from MORPHE Brushes. Taking this brownish shade and blending the harsh edges of my crease. Same on the other eye. This brush is also from MORPHE Brushes. Again, taking the same shade and blending my crease to make it look more blended. Enhancing this insane black shade. Blending again. This mascara is from the Benefit Cosmetics. They are real. Applying it to my lashes. This gold pencil is from NYX Cosmetics. Applying it to my waterline. You can see the difference with or without lining the waterline. This brush is from BH Cosmetics. Applying this dark brown shade, smoking out my lower lash line. This brush is from our drugstore. Applying this shade to the inner corner of my eye. So this is the final look. I hope you all like it. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.